Hello viewers. Welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss Class 12 or 2nd PUC Biology Chapter 1, that is Sexual Reproduction in Flowering Plants. From basic to advanced level, for board, KCET, and NEET. Just subscribe and comment to get PDF. Do support for more updates. So watch till end, don't forget to comment, share, subscribe the channel. Class 12th Physics Class. Video link is given in description, don't miss it. Today, starts with structure of flowers and their reproduction parts. Sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Let's look some basic concepts. Reproduction. Reproduction is biological process of formation of new offsprings from the pre-existing organism. Types of reproduction. 1. Asexual reproduction. When the offspring is produced by single parent with or without the involvement of gamete formation, the reproduction is called asexual reproduction. 2. Sexual reproduction. When two parents, opposite sex, participates in reproduction process and also involves the fusion of male and female gametes, is called sexual reproduction. Lifespan. The period from birth to the natural death of an organism represents its lifespan. Example. Lifespan of organism varies from few days, fly, to thousands of years, banyan tree. Reproduction ensures continuity of species generation after generations as the older individuals undergo senescence and die. Flower is a modified stem which functions as a reproductive organ and produces ova and pollen. A typical angiospermic flower consists of 4 whorls appendages attached on the receptacle, calyx, corolla, and rhizium, male reproductive organ consisting of stamens, and gynoecium, composed of ovary, style and stigma. Flowers are morphological and embryological marvels and the sites of sexual reproduction. In earlier classes, you have read the various parts of a flower. Pre-fertilization, structures and events. Several hormonal and structural changes are initiated which lead to the differentiation and further development of the floral primordium. Inflorescences are formed which bear the floral buds and then the flowers. In the flower the male, androecium, and female, gynoecium pistil, reproductive structures differentiate and develop, in which male and female gametes are produced. 3 parts are usually identified in each pistils. 1. At the base of the pistil is the ovary, which is an enlarged basal cavity where ovules are developed. 2. The style, a slender stalk, conducts pollen tubes to the ovary. The style may be solid or may have a canal in the center. This portion is called style. 3. The third component is stigma. It is upper, enlarged portion of the style, where pollen grains adhere and germinate to from pollen tubes. The number and length of stamens are variable in flowers of different species. If you were to collect a stamen each from 10 flowers, each from different species, and arrange them on a slide, you would be able to appreciate the large variation in size seen in nature. Careful observation of each stamen under a dissecting microscope and making neat diagrams would elucidate the range in shape and attachment of anthers in different flowers. A. It is a typical stamen. And B. Is 3-dimensional cut section of an anther. Stamen. Stamen is the male reproductive unit. Is made up of anther and filament. 2 parts of typical stamen. The long and slender stalk called the filament. and the terminal generally bilobed structure called the anther. The proximal end of the filament is attached to the thalamus or the petal of the flower. Anther is the site of pollen grains development, is the terminal portion of a stamen. A typical angiosperm anther is bilobed with each lobe having two theca, that is, they are dithecous. Let us understand the various types of tissues and their organization in the transverse section of an anther. The two longitudinal lobes are united by a band of parenchyma cells called the connective, which is a continuation of the filament. The anther is a four-sided, tetragonal structure consisting of 4 microsporangia located at the corners, 2 in each lobe. The bilobed nature of an anther is very distinct in its transverse section. The microsporangia develop further and become pollen sacs. They extend longitudinally all through the length of an anther and are packed with pollen grains. This ends today's class. In the next video, we discuss about structure of microsporangium. So don't forget to support, share, like and subscribe the channel for more updates.